The girl with the dreadlocks and the angel face. Across the summer strait, the message starts to fly. A birthday celebration underneath the island sky. Oh Salanita, it's your birthday, it's your day, quenching my heart's desire in every single way. From the morning light until the moon is shining bright, we're gonna celebrate your love all day and night. My dreadlock angel, so precious and so true. The whole of Tavioni is singing just for you. Let the music play, let the rhythm take